Guys, so we've got 3 packs today and we got them from McCall's and we'll just be opening them right now, this moment, and let's see what we get. This pack, we have the Crystal Palace badge, Pro 11 Joe Walters, Aaron Ramsey from Arsenal. We've got a tactic card. We've got possession. Take the back control for the next round. We've got a normal card. That is Eric Peters. We've got that is from Stoke City. We've got one from Liverpool, Aaron Khan.